दोस्तों, what's up? I hope you're absolutely well. In this video, we'll be talking about why you should be a cabin crew or what is just so amazing about this cabin crew, and that is why a lot of people are preparing for this job. So ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seat belts, close down your tray table, open the window shade as we prepare to take off for this wonderful job. So बिना किसी देरी के in this video we'll be discussing about the 5 points that we'll be discussing that makes this job a super amazing job. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के. The very first point that we'll be talking about is the cabin crew lifestyle. कैबिन क्रू का लाइफस्टाइल बहुत ही करिस्मेटिक, बहुत ही ग्लैमरस होता है. इमेजिन यू योरसेल्फ बीइंग अ फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट और अ कैबिन क्रू ऑफ एनी एयरलाइन. You are wearing the company's uniform. You are walking down the airport like you are a model. You look in the sky. You work at 35,000 feet. Sky becomes your office. You talk to different people. You listen to them. You express yourself. Isn't that just so amazing? That is super amazing. So if you're always dreamt of becoming a cabin crew, or if you're planning to be a cabin crew, do not leave your hard work. Believe me, you will be successful for sure. The second point that we'll be discussing is the traveling part. All of us like traveling. We want to travel every single day. And what if you are getting paid for traveling? Being a flight attendant or a cabin crew, you get to travel from one city to another or another country if you are domestic flight attendant. If you are international cabin crew, you get to travel from one country to another. You get to stay in 5-star properties, have layover, earn different allowances. Isn't that so great? That is just super amazing. The third thing we'll be talking about why everyone wants to be a cabin crew is just because of this thing. Brand ambassador. Being a cabin crew, you are a brand ambassador of the airline. You are brand ambassador for the company that you're working for. You wear up the company's uniform. You are groomed to the point. People look up onto you. You definitely become the point or contact of everybody at all point of time. So that is just so great that you become the brand ambassador for the airline. And not just that, you are trained doctors, you are trained firefighter. That is just so amazing about the superpowers that this job give it to you. The fourth point is the salary. Paisa. Besides the money is something that tempts us all. Being a domestic cabin crew, on an average you can earn from 35,000 to 70,000 if you are a fresher. In case you work at an international airline, you can earn from 1,25,000 to 2 lakh if you are a fresher. So money is something that we all need. We all need for our responsibilities, for our family, and this job satisfies every single aspect that we dream of. The last thing that we need to talk about is the overall individual growth. जब भी हम किसी जॉब के बारे में बात करते हैं या फिर किसी पर्टिकुलर जॉब रोल के बारे में बात करते हैं, हमेशा हम सैलरी के अलावा एक ये भी चीज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं कि उस जॉब में हमारी प्रमोशन या फिर हमारा करियर कैसा है. तो मैं आपको बता दूं, cabin crew is a type of job whereby not only you will be earning lot of money, you will be getting promotions, but then you will learn to respect every single person. You will learn to work in a team. You will learn how to get along with different people. You will learn to respect the value of money. And this is just so wonderful that makes this job a super amazing job. The other factors, you learn to respect every single culture. You learn to respect every single religion that you come across. It makes you a good human being whereby you understand the importance of every single person in your life. You learn to be a good human being. And let me tell you one single fact, more than 50% or 60% of the people who are actually cabin crew or they aspire to be a cabin crew are working not just because of the money that this job has to offer, but they are working out of their love for this dream job, for the passion that they have for this job, and above all, the life that they want to live as a cabin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.